paper style for the next oncoming examination. Examination is knocking the door. I hope you may be preparing well for that. Let us discuss about the paper style for the next examination, half-yearly examination of 2020-2021. The paper is divided into 4 sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 1A, Section 2, Section B, Section 3, C, Section 4, D, Section A, Section B, Section C, and Section D. Total marks are 80. Maximum marks are 80. Syllabus is from chapters 3, 4 and 5. Section A. Under Section A, there will be question 1, A of question number 1. In that question, you will be asked to select the correct word from the brackets. Any 5. You will be given 1 to 6 statements. There will be one word to be selected from 2 words given in the bracket. One is correct, the other is incorrect. You have to select the correct word for the given statements, and in 5 will give you 10 marks. Question 1B is fill in the blanks. There will be given 1 to 6 statements. You will have to fill in the blanks for any 5 correct words to be filled in blanks. That will give you 10 marks. Then question 1C. There will be 1 to 6 statements. Some statements may be true, some statements may be false. You have to write T for true and F for false statements. Any 5. This will give you 5 marks. Question number 1D. You will be given 2 columns. There will be some numbers 1 to 5 in first column, and A, B, C, D, E, F in the second column. They are in a disordered way. You have to match correct pairs from column 1 to column 2. There will be totally 5 pairs to give you 5 good marks. Now, in section B, which is of 25 marks, question 2A. Question 2A contains 1 to 6 questions. You have to answer any 5. Answer the following questions in 1 word. You have to answer only in 1 word, or at the most 2. 5 questions you have to answer to get 10 big marks. Question 2B also comprises 6 questions, 1 to 6. Answer the following questions in 1 sentence each. Any 5 will give you 15 big marks. So mind it well, dear students. This is an important question to to give you lot of marks. One question carries 3 marks. So try to prepare, revise and rewrite a number of times such questions which we have already discussed in our exercises and discussions of various chapters 3, 4, 5. You have to answer these questions in one sentence only. And if 5 you have to answer, and that will give you 15 big marks. So pay proper attention for this question. Don't neglect this question because it carries a lion's share of the marks. Now over to section C. It is also the section of 15 marks. Section C contains question 3A. Write the rhyming words for the following words. You will be given several words. For one word, you have to write at least one rhyming word. For example, got, board. Write, bright, high, height. Pin, bin, tin, sin, etc. So these are the rhyming words that we have already studied. Practice them, prepare their spellings. Several types of practice will help you to prepare well. It is very easy to prepare rhyming words, dear students. So don't forget and don't neglect this question. This is an easy question to answer because we can easily memorize rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words with similar sound and names. Question 3B of section C. Supply the missing letter in the following words. You will be given several words. There will be a missing letter in the spelling of the given word. You have to supply or write the missing letter in the spelling of that word. It's very easy. Practice spellings, prepare them, memorize them. It will help you to get 5 marks. Rhyming words carry 10 marks. So it is very easy and also good story. So is the case with missing letters. If your spellings are well prepared, yes, it is not at all difficult for you to score all good marks from this question. Now, over to section D. Section D is of 10 marks. Question 4 of section D, question 4A of section D, and circle, make a circle. The biscuit word in the following list. You will be given a list of several words. You will be given a list of several words. List number 1, several words. List number 2, several words. List number 3, like that. You have to read them, try to understand what is similar among the given words and which word is dissimilar, unfit. We have done the exercises well. So dear students, try to go through those exercises. Read the spelled words and find out which word is not fitting in some way, in meaning or in its concept with other words. Suppose you are given 3-4 words of some articles like pen, pencil, book, bag, table, stool, and there is one word like crow. So all these things are articles, non-living things, but crow is a bird. It is a living thing. So it is a misfit word among all these words. So you have to find out the misfit word and circle that misfit word in that list. In that way, you have to encircle each of the list for the misfit word. So this is a very easy exercise. Encircling the misfit word, you simply have to point out the misfit word and encircle it. Question 4b, the last one, but not least, is about writing. Write about myself or your introduction. Myself means you have to write your name, my name is this and that. Like that, you have to write about yourself or you have to give your introduction. To write about yourself or your introduction means one and the same. These two things are not different. You have to write about yourself. This will give you 5 marks. Totally, there will be 80 marks. So dear students, try to prepare well. Read properly, think properly, and with patience and accuracy, write the answer to each and every question. Don't make haste. Don't get confused. If you don't know the answer to a particular question, leave it for a while. Go to the next. Try to answer the questions which you know first. After some time, it happens that you may recall the answer to the question for which you did not remember. So, write the paper once and go through it after writing, completing. Go through it second time, and if there are some left over questions that you did not know and you have remembered the answers to those questions, to write down. Revise the written paper once again. If there is any mistake of spelling or anything, correct it. This is very easy. This will help you to write easily and accurately, to get good marks and result with flying colors. Wish you all the best.